Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the young and old filter that is trending at the moment on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video through to the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Play Store, and then we want to search for something called FaceApp. Once you've searched for that, you need to download and install it. And then once we've done this, we simply need to open that specific app. So once you are on this page right here, we now need to choose the picture that we want to do the young and old trend with. So for me, I will just choose this random photo of Ronaldo just for this example here and this video. So what I need to do now is I need to go over to age, click on age, and now I want to select old. Once I do this, what I can do then is I can go ahead, click on apply. I can then save my image by clicking save in the top right hand corner. And then what I can do now is, well, it says save successfully. So what I need to do now is I need to back out of this app right here. So once you have done that, what you need to do now is you need to head over to TikTok. Once you head over to TikTok, we will then go over to the search bar in the top right hand corner. We will then search for old face filter or something like that just to get the filter from CapCut. Go over to this video for example and click on try this template in CapCut. So you must have CapCut downloaded for this. And then what you need to do now is you need to click on use template in CapCut. What that will do is it will then open this up right here, click on use template. And then what we need to do now is we need to select the old filter and then the original photo that you want to obviously do this trend with. So I'll click on the old photo and then click on the original, click on preview. And this is what it would look like right here. So once you have done this, you can then upload it to TikTok or do whatever you please. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.